So Newcastle 1, Asna 0. Limp, weak, spineless, one shot on target from Gabriel Martinelli, which, Matty, you could have caught it. I could have caught it. My 13-year-old daughter could have caught it. Embarrassing. No outlet between defence, midfield, and attack. Off the ball, all over the gaff. The goal, everyone's going to blame VAR. Was it out? Wasn't it out? Was it a foul? Wasn't it a foul? Blah, blah, blah. They should have been 3-0 up before that goal anyway. Yeah, let's not take away. And the manager's already called it out. Blame PGMOL, blaming the ref. Yeah, how about blame your tactics, mate? Yeah, how about blame your starting 11? Yeah, we did not learn our lesson from West Ham in midweek. We have gone with the same double pivot of Kai Havertz and Jorginho, who, by the way, had the armband. And we're expecting a different outcome. It's what it is. Make sure you sub to the Southern Guna, link in the title, people. Matty, big up for doing the watch along as well. Appreciate it, man. Talk to me, man.
Brother, that was shambolic, man. That was shambolic. That was another missed opportunity by this team. We seem to be wallowing in stupidity. This manager seems to be wallowing in stupidity. Lee, I brought a prop, my friend. I'm going to share my screen. I'm not going to get you flagged anything. I took a screen.
No, it's calm.
I just want you to pull this up if you can. I want you to look at what I have right here on the screen. We have one.
Zoom in, man. Zoom in.
Zoom in here. Let me zoom.
Can you zoom in? Yeah, that's Photoshop, right?
Yeah.
Zoom in. Look at that.
Look at this. Look at the players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at what they're doing.
3 Newcastle players in the box.
3 Newcastle players in the box.
Right, and not one of them Arsenal players is looking at them 2, 3 Newcastle players.
Yeah.
Not one.
Not one. And the manager gets up on TV today, because I went back and watched it, and best believe tomorrow, y'all be over on the Southern Guna here on YouTube. I'm going to be doing a reaction video to his press conference tomorrow, and I'm going to rip him. Because this fool wants to hide behind the VAR.
Yep.
Wants to hide behind VAR. One shot on goal all day long. Lee, unacceptable, man. This is unacceptable. You know, if the manager wanted to make a stand, I'll tell you what, this is what the manager should have did. If he wanted to make this big grandiose stand and really rally the troops, when Bruno popped Jorginho upside the head, and if you felt that convicted, why didn't you take the players off the pitch then? Just say, you know what, y'all come on off. Sit down.
Yep.
See, the only reason why VAR got called into play here is because they scored a goal. That does not excuse our shambolic play. We played worse today than we did Wednesday. I walked away from this game knowing exactly what our problem is. We're weak, man. We're a very weak, spineless team. Mm-hmm. We look for the easy way out. We're frail. And it was almost as if you go back and watch the game, Newcastle players kept pushing the limit to see how far they could go.
They were naughty. I can't lie. They were doing everything in their power to rile us up.
You know why? Yeah. Because
they're not as good as us.
They're not even that, Lee. They knew we weren't going to do anything.
Facts. Facts.
Because we ain't got it in us.
Who in our team is going to have it?
Yeah. Only one person today gave me a 10 shout out to Declan Rice, my captain, a 10-star performance. Represented the badge.
Yep.
He represented the badge so good it was the old school badge with the old cannon. That's how he looked. He looked like a man that wanted it.
Even when their players are on the deck, rolling around, feigning injury, man's talking to their fans in the crowd saying, yo, shut up, man. Yeah. Pushing around players. Yeah. Gabriel today, Magalhaes, Bozo Gene. What did I say to you when Callum Wilson put him in his backside? Yeah. To be fair, on another day, another ref, another VAR, that could have possibly been a red card. But let's be real. He barely touched him. He's rolling around. If that was Rivaldo getting the ball from Turkey in the ball sack and then holding his face, that was Gabriel Magalhaes. And what did I say? Yeah, I said he's going to do a bozo thing in a minute.
Yeah.
What did Eddie Howe do? Yo, we got away with that potentially. Yeah, on another day could have been sent off. Eddie Howe went, Callum Wilson, you're off, bruv. Willock's on. Yeah, because he got his man out of there before his head pops.
Yeah.
They bring on a substitute before we do. Like, they're happy with a draw. Let's be real.
Yeah, they're perfectly content with it, man. They're moving on.
And then when we need a goal, we make a sub after the goal's conceded. How many times is this manager, Matty? Yeah,
this is the second time this week.
As we concede a goal, makes a sub, right? And guess what? This time, he brings on Zinchenko when we need a goal and takes off Ben White. We need a goal. You're bringing a defender for a defender. That make it make sense, bro. This guy's out of his depth, mate.
Yeah, he's way out of his depth, Lee. He's way out of it, man. And it's time for people to stop falling for the okie doke. This dude here, man, this is the second indictment this week that this man is set right here and come out with piss poor tactics and put this team in bad situations. We're already short. We're injury plagued. We're all over the place right now. We can't score a goal. We can't shoot a goal. We can't shoot a shot. I mean, we just look bad. The only shining light in this game today was Declan Rice. And we've got to go find, he's looking around there towards the end of the game looking like, well, are we going to try to score, y'all? Or what are we doing here? He's running right. He went from one side to the other side, to this side, to that side, to this side, to that side.
He's plowing through midfield. He's running up and down. He went on about 70-yard straight diet, and then poor pass. But he's direct. He's having a go. 1 minute he's on the left, then he's on the right, then he's last ditch, then he's winning a header, then he's battling with people, then he's talking to the fan. Yeah, like, F you, man. Yeah, bro, you know what? Yeah, that guy should be captain.
I told you he's the captain of the team. Far as I'm concerned, from now on, I'm referring to him as the captain. I don't care about Odegaard. He is the captain of Arsenal Football Club, far as I'm concerned. Let me say this. These teams are going to keep beating on us because they know we are weak. We are weak. Newcastle, like I said, Newcastle, if you go back and watch it, Newcastle, they would do something. They say, okay, well, they doing. Then they would do something else. Then it would just keep escalating because they knew our players weren't doing anything. Nobody was going to say, you know what, man, sit down, shut your mouth. How about that? We'll just go down 10 men and we'll just fight it out all the way. I'll just knock the hell out of one of y'all and we'll just keep it moving. No. What do? Lay on the ground, rolling over, hands up in the air, all this stuff. Bro, that when you do that kind of stuff, Lee, you know that I don't mentally you shut out. You shut out. And mentally we were shut out. Jorginho, Havertz need to be removed from this football club. They need to be removed from this football club. Eddie Nketiah, another game. Another game, Lee. Another of many. No goal. Yep. No goal. He got $100,000 this week, but he didn't get a goal.
Spent more time on the floor than he did on his feet.
Our fan base, Lee. This all VAR is doing us in. Oh my word. You know how you saw VAR? Lee, I'm going to give you a piece of game today. You know how you fix VAR? You win the damn game so it don't even matter. You put yourself in a situation where it doesn't even matter if VAR.
It's a prime example of that, yeah. Because today I watched that Manchester United Fulham game, yeah. One of the worst games I've ever watched in my life, right? I don't believe Garnacho was offside.
Yeah, I saw that this morning.
They then put up on the screen twice, offside in red. They did the line, offside in red, but then they carried on. They took it off and then carried on doing the replays. Now it's an on-field review. So I'm like, on-field review? It's either offside or onside.
Yep.
Yeah. Why are you making the guy go and the ref go? Because they were trying to snag that, bro. Yeah, I don't know what they were trying to do. Have you ever seen an on-field review for an offside when you have the lines, you have all the tech, and you've put up on the screen twice it's offside, right? Weird behavior. Guess what? Man United, as bad as they were, said, F your decision, we win the game.
Yeah.
And Bruno, a little bit of magic at the end, sent two man to the shop for milk. Leno should have saved it, but either way. Yeah. F VAR,
Yeah.
F the ref and on-field review. We won the game, so it don't matter. Today, we didn't do that, bro. So, VAR, but Bruno Guimaraes elbow. Shut up, man. We had Patrick Vieira in midfield giving it elbows when he's running. Yeah, why was he running like this?
Yeah.
Man's running like this so you get a clout in the face, bruv. Yeah? We're getting Keown jumping over Van Nistelrooy and that. Like, this lot is soft, bruv. Like, honestly. Yeah. Any excuse to dismiss the fact that the manager is failing, exponentially. Yeah, literally. Yeah, we have been crap, Matt, for 12 out of 16 games. Yeah?
What did I tell you during the broadcast? What did I tell you and Ola? I said, this run of form is a continuation from last season at the end of the season. We look worse now and coming down the stretch than we did at the end of last season. And we was flailing then. We look like we did back in 2020. We look like a dysfunctional team.
Thanks.
And it's time, man. It's time. I know people come on here. Oh man, this is your first loss. Y'all overreacting. Listen, this manager has failed 700 milli, and that's what we got.
Jorginho and Havertz in midfield.
Yeah, I mean, Lee, who's afraid of that? What team?
No one. That's why they play through us, man.
Yeah, second game running. We couldn't even we only got one measly shot that you probably could have did. And that's it. Starboy Soccer. I think we're wasting him away, man. He's wasting away. He can't find a break. There's nobody to replace him. Trossard, he's run him down. Martinelli, he's all over the place right now. Look at our team. Just look at it. It's total, utter chaos, Lee. And I'm afraid, my friend, it's going to get worse before it gets better. This manager has put this team in this situation. This manager can hide behind VAR all he wants. I know one thing, Mr. Arteta. You are not qualified for this job. And it is time.
In our last 2 games, sorry to cut you off. In our last 2 games here, right, we have had a grand total of 4 shots on target.
And that's all. And that's all. Hey, that's all we need to do to sign off on that. Just let that sink in. Don't say anything
on target against West Ham United away and Newcastle United away. Combined total 4 shots on target.
Let that sink in. And y'all are telling me we had a 9 out of 10 transfer window.
Cool. And on that bombshell, make sure you sub to the Southern Gooner. We're going to go direct straight away to the player ratings. Come and join us if you want to cry. We don't care. We're back against Sevilla on Wednesday. And then who are we playing at the weekend? I don't even know.
It don't even matter, Lee. It don't even matter. This stage doesn't even matter.
It is what it is, isn't it? Anyway, we're out of here, people. Adios. Laters. Arteta out.